Howdy folk, this is my technically my penultimate day before the last in Hong Kong. So tomorrow morning very early I will be taking a flight to the Philippines. So just wanted to do a quick video of the skyline from Kowloon looking onto Hong Kong Island. It's amazing what they've done with this place. And of course, I don't know the name of this building. I should have known, but it's iconic. This tall one there that stands out, that's just iconic. You see this, you're looking at Hong Kong skyline. So this is it for this part of Hong Kong. I didn't do a lot of the touristy things. In part, this is my third go at this place. I've been here I think 3 or 4 times, and I have a lot of old videos and pictures of the Big Buddha, Victoria Peak, the floating village. What else? Just about all the major things there are to do. Avenue of the Stars and the museums and the clock tower, the lights. I think I've done this before, so I didn't want to repeat all the things I've done. That's why this is just more of I guess not showing those things which I've done before. So yeah, but there's a lot more to Hong Kong, of course, than the little bit that I showed in this episodes. But again, I don't want to repeat those pictures and those videos. Kind of don't take advantage of the cloud-free storage. This is one of the museums, I believe. I forget what it's called, but I'll be walking right next to it, so I'll see its name. This is an amazing place. This is one of my favorite cities in the world, I have to say. Very easy to move around. You've got the ferries, you've got the trains, which is very modern, very advanced. You have taxis and Ubers and buses and all other kind of street vehicles, cars and street electrical cars. There's just a ton of things to do out here. So yeah, it's just a great city. The best of China, I think. Alright folks, so that was just a quick last day video of the beautiful skyline I just decided. That included this is the clock tower I was telling you about. This is iconic too and very famous. I believe the one with the lady, it's down there. I saw it, but I didn't take a picture of it. And then you have the Bruce Lee. The Bruce Lee is also down there as well. But again, I did not take a picture of that because I have photos of that before. So this is it. I'm gonna sign out, catch a ferry from Kowloon back to Hong Kong Island. Take a little break. It's hot and it's like what, 2 p.m. I'm gonna go back to the Chinese embassy to get my visa, and then I think I'll pack my bag because tonight I'm gonna hang out with the guys. Since I leave very early tomorrow, I don't want a big noise in my hostel room and disturb my neighbors. So I'll pack my bag tonight and be heading early. It's about an hour to the airport. So I'll be heading out early tomorrow to the airport. And that's it for Hong Kong. I had fun. It was I think 4 or 5 days. That's good. I come here just to eat and just to take it all in. Again, didn't do the touristy thing. There's no need for that. So I encourage you to kind of visit this place. You'll love it. At least 1 week. There's a lot to do here. You can never run out of things to do in Hong Kong. So at least 1 week. This is it for me. Here goes my boat, and I'm going to take right back to Hong Kong Island. If you wanted to take a bus, you've got buses over there. All right, folk, signing out.